Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. In this, hopefully a quick video, I'm going to talk about the email signals for the two crypto trading bots and any other bots. But this is the general format you would get for both entries and exits, depending upon your bot and what exchange you will use this for. Typically, I get my server will send out an email for, let's say in this case, an entry. It will have the name, the date, the pair right here, as well as the entry or exit. And this is the actual signal data that you'll use in the body, the timestamp, the pair. There's a pricing information, some other statistics. I could probably go into detail later, and there's a quantity of the amount of coins you want to sell, buy or sell, or exit or entry on. And also there's the corresponding exit as well in the same fashion, where you get a timestamp as well as a pair, and then the exit, which is going to give you a different set of information as well, other than the entry or corresponding entry. And there's some other requirements as well. I use a tool fairly well known out there for support, remote desktop support, for installing, configuring on your operating system. It can work on Mac, Windows, Linux. So check out that software. As I said, it's free. A couple of recommendations when I do diagnose into your system. Activate it. I'll put out a video on how to do it. I'm sure there's a ton of videos that already out there on YouTube or wherever show you how to do that. But one big thing I have to say is don't leave the AnyDesk software running on your system when it's not needed. Only turn it on when somebody like myself is going to go in and diagnose your problem or set up your system, because it is a security breach otherwise. And just take note of that. Sorry about the background noise there. Another thing that is very important about the hardware kind of system you'll use, if you choose to use, obviously you need an email. If you want a dedicated email, I strongly recommend it. I'll have some other tutorials on what kind of email service you can use. The volume, you can expect anywhere from 200 to 300 emails per day, depending upon market conditions and volume. You can easily filter out the ones you want to process or not process through the trading script. I'll have another detailed video on the trading script as well, the Python script that is, and you'll get the source code with that because it's in Python. Now, in terms of the hardware and on your internet, you could use your own system, something you might want to do with a fast internet, dedicated computer. My preferred version of Python is 3.64, which is fairly recent. It's a little old, maybe a year to 2 years old, but it's still relevant. You get that installed with the custom script to make everything all compatible, where you're able to get the signals and trade on your behalf. So I'll put another I'll put out a separate entry, or sorry, a separate video on the Python script, and I may even give a complete walkthrough, source code walkthrough for those interested on knowing how to customize the Python script. That's pretty well it. You can also do it through another web hosting server. I'll have some tutorials on that if you want. But yeah, just let me know where I can help. Talk to you later. Have a good day.